3. Hey,
what is up, guys?
It's the Vloggeraptors here today, and today we are doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge 3-way.
It is New Year's Eve. We're gonna do it into 2018.
Yep, the big challenge. All right, and also we have a big announcement coming soon. You'll see that in a different video, so just be patient. Stay tuned.
Ring that bell.
So
ring that little bell.
Yes.
Smash time like currently it's 7:29.
7:29. Here.
Oh, that's awkward.
Okay.
So, it's backwards. Okay, that's okay. All right. Well, here we go. Peter, my boy.
Right over my watch. Ouch.
Carter's gonna be in the middle for this one, so
he can't do anything.
yeah.
You gonna get the camera?
Yeah, I'll get
Or
the
you
camera.
lock yourself?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. This is the final lock. Oh,
Final lock.
you wanna press it for me?
Oh my god, give me the camera. I
Oh.
got you.
Oh. Okay. So,
Is that good?
maybe.
Good, bro.
Wait, hold it. Ready? There we go. Okay.
All right. So, as you can see, we're handcuffed. Where are the keys?
What keys?
Oh crap. Well,
Okay, we'll
that's
get out
problem.
later.
We'll find those later. All right. Well, populator.
Okay. Well, you can't cover up the screen.
Why not?
Because that's not the camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, we're gonna go make a gingerbread house all tied, or handcuffed together. We'll see how well this works out, but we're just going to get it right now.
You're going the wrong way.
Where is it?
Ow, ow, ow. Carter, stop going so fast. Okay, here it is.
Okay,
Gingerbread.
let's go.
This is painful.
Oh man, Carter. Oh.
Sorry, guys. It's kind of hard when you're in the middle.
Leading everybody. Okay.
Okay, Peter, you have to get on that
You gotta go
side.
first, buddy.
Oh, okay.
Ah,
We're going back. Why did we go?
okay.
Well, we'll catch you later when we open this.
Alright, so we're just opening everything up. Oh,
Well,
well.
I lost my balls.
Okay.
Okay.
If you even had
What
it.
is that?
Oh, Carter is roasting.
Sorry.
I need to pick these all up. What the heck is that?
That's awkward. He doesn't have an eye.
His eye's gone.
It's a pirate elf. All right. Oh,
Should we get a knife?
I feel like we should be timed or something on this. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have,
ourselves
do you
5
have a
minutes.
timer? Oh,
Sure.
the
We'll
ball
put a-
just went flying.
we'll put
Peter, your ball just went flying.
My,
His ball. There's one now.
there's like 25 and a half.
Oh, okay. Peter, did you get some plastic surgery or something?
Okay.
Okay.
Stop warning me.
Let's do this. Max, you know what? You
Okay.
can just
I'm gonna
find
time
it.
this. What's our limit?
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Once we open this.
Okay.
But this is gonna be awkward.
5 minutes. Oh, that's nope.
Let's hope I'm better opening things than Peter.
Rip me.
Oh, that is nice.
Okay, ready? We opened everything up.
Max, you need to be better at vlogging.
I know.
You gotta show our faces, you know?
So,
Get that nice. That nice. That
are you
nice,
gonna?
Nice.
Oh wait, let me get my phone.
Seriously?
Okay,
Okay, here we go. Start at
5 minutes. Ready?
Put it over there.
Timer has started.
Okay, here we go. Go, go, go.
Okay,
Fill this piece of crap.
where's the bottom? Is this?
I think it's the bottom.
That looks.
That's like a roof.
Yeah. Wait.
Oh.
How, what is this?
Nope, that's the bottom.
This?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is the bottom.
Oh yeah.
That makes sense.
Probably right.
What's the roof?
These shingles. Okay, this is the front. Okay, see that? See that?
Oh, you
There's
got
like a little pathway.
Okay, let's
There's a little-
Okay.
Let's like.
Oh, nothing came out.
It's working.
Carter, come on.
Carter.
think we.
All right, time is up.
Okay.
I think.
Stand back. No.
No, turn. Oh,
this is
well,
what
we made a
happened.
mess. So, Peter, show the box, show the front of the box compared to ours. I think that this was a success.
On your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night.
Side or on top?
Top.
Top right on this elf's mangled body.
The gumdrop in his head.
Okay, so we all have our hands handcuffed and on the hammer.
All right.
All right.
1, 2.
Rip this gingerbread.
Is this elf still alive?
This elf is definitely still alive.
Oh, look at his eye is gone.
This is not okay.
Still.
Oh.
Oh, yikes.
I think he
You
looks
should-
better than ever,
we should
actually.
eat
Yeah,
this.
he's a pretty... Oh, rip the elf. We are gonna clean up this mess.
Cleanup time with a cleanup song. Should I
10,
throw all 4 of these on?
9,
Because I can't throw
8,
them. You have to use these. Max,
7,
you have to throw these.
6, 5,
I'm just gonna
4,
the highly explosive ones.
2, 1.
Okay.
Happy New Year!
Oh!
Here, take some.
Awkward. Oh!
Ow, that hurt my hand.
You have more in here.
Oh, did I? Just chuck the freaking. Rip.
There's fireworks out in the distance.
Happy New Year, everybody!
Happy New Year.
I just want to say, I love you!
We are locked into
I love
2018
you. I love
together.
You. I love you.
Oh, I'm gonna
It's a
throw
great
these.
start. Freezing our butts off locked together. You know, seek discomfort. We've been closer than ever, I think.
Should we pick
We
those
should-
up? We have to pick those up. Oh my goodness.
No, we don't. Step on them.
Ow!
Stop.
Ow, Peter! Max, chill out. He's killing me.
Oh, it's cold.
Jump on this guy.
I got this.
Oh, did nothing. So, are we picking these up or leaving them?
So it's the new year. We're leaving them. Let's go.
Max, you're gonna break my wrist.
We just have to make sure that.
My wrist is already broken.
Now we gotta attempt to sleep
Now we need to go to sleep.
and then wake
What
up
is sleeping?
and then die. Happy New Year, everybody.
It's like 15 degrees out here. It's flipping freezing. Oh my goodness. Happy New Year. In honor of the new year, we're having a little bit of fake champagne.
Yep, because why not?
Yeah.
Since
Okay.
1666. 1868.
Let's dink.
Let's make a cheers. 58 subscribers. We
Nice.
suck, but we'll get there eventually.
We'll be the best on YouTube. Just watch.
Yes, just watch. Say subscribe. Here we go.
Subscribe to the Vlogger Raptors.
Chug.
I'm done. Wait, Peter's going for it. Oh,
Well,
well.
we're still not done with this challenge, so that's
Yeah.
that's
Got
We still have
24
another,
more
like-
hours.
Not even
Not even close, but
like 20 more hours.
yeah, I gotta sleep.
Yikes.
And my camera is out of battery.
That's nice. See you later.
So, see you next year. Hey guys, what's poppin'? I just woke up. These two are still sleeping, so I'm gonna try and get up with a. Oh, Carter's awake.
I'm gonna kill you.
This hurts my hands so much.
I know.
Okay. So now, we have to clean up this mess that we made.
Carter, move.
What am I supposed to do?
Roll together.
Oh,
So,
nice job. Throw it over there.
oh, this hurts. Okay. Oh.
Oh, guess we're going
Tell
down.
us we're going down before we do. Oh. Ow.
Finn, buddy, try that in the sheet.
I'm moving.
Oh, Finn, don't suffocate him.
He's not gonna
He's not gonna suffocate. He's just gonna die.
He's just a dog.
Oh, Finn.
Ah.
No, he's so.
Ow.
He's not okay.
Finn, oh. Finn. Where are
Alright, let's get the sponge.
Okay. Now where?
I can't see the.
Oh. Oh. Ow.
That person's got a nice flush on the camera. Just saying.
Oh, Carter.
Ow. So currently, the time that we have is 2:30. I don't know if you see that. That sucks if you can't. So it's 2:30 right now. We've made it this far. We have about, I think, 6 hours left. Come on, Peter.
Okay.
We're
We're gonna jump on the
try to jump on the
trampoline.
tramp.
It's gonna be hard.
Yeah.
We're gonna break our wrists.
Yeah.
Oh.
Stand up.
Ow! 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 You know, oh my gosh. I think we will win the ultimate challenge on YouTube. So if you haven't yet, like and subscribe. Smash that like button.
Ah.
Tickle that subscribe button. Ow!
Ah.
Or break that subscribe button's wrist, because that's what we're doing for this video. That really hurts.
Oh.
I'll do a flip.
No, stop.
Peter, stop the company! Sorry. Nerd! Ow.
Oh. Wait.
We got that out.
Okay.
Get this.
Oh, wait.
Nerd.
I forgot.
Okay, you gotta do a little bit of
You
dab,
need it.
dab. Handcuff, dab. Alright, so, turns out, we completed the challenge. Just kidding.
Turns
We
out.
completed the challenge. 24-hour ultimate handcuff challenge, 3-way.
Yeah, right now
No
it's
one's done
7:31 on January 1st. There
Yep.
you go.
No one's ever done it before, so let's hope.
We get
Nice.
views.
Yes.
So smash the like button.
Tickle the
And-
subscribe button.
Yes.
Ding that little bell
Ding it.
in case you want to know what's popping with the fam over here.
Alright, so I have the key. I'm gonna unhook us. Nice. Where's the thing? This is awkward.
Come on, Carter. How does that feel?
How's it
Feels
feel?
nice.
These things hurt a lot.
Yeah,
It's like
they-
digging into your skin. It's not okay.
I wonder if real handcuffs feel like this, like the ones that the cops use.
Yes, right here. I got you, don't worry.
Wait, what are you doing?
Nothing, just chill.
Wait, no. Stop. No, stop. No, Carter, stop. No.
You idiot.
Are you serious? Oh my goodness.
Got him! Alright, I'm out. We'll peace you guys later.
Trick him.
Oh! Ow!
Oh, snap.
That hurt.
Sorry, Max.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay.